If you want to deploy a process that you've created in the build tab, all you need to do is go to package component up here, select it, pick whatever you want. You can also add more stuff to this deployment in the filter to the left, but by default, it'll be whatever you have open in the build tab. Then hit next. You can leave this blank for the version number, or you can put in a version number depending on however you want to version it based on your company's standards. And after you do that, you just hit next and you hit deploy with this pop-up. And then it'll ask you what environment you want to deploy to. And you will pick whatever environment you want it to deploy to. This will correspond to whatever atoms are deployed to those environments as well. Deployment notes are optional. You can put whatever you need to put in there for, it's just reference notes if you ever look back at this deployment to see why it was deployed. You hit next. And this page will review everything you put in, where it's going to get deployed, the name of the process, if, anything else you have in this package component. You hit next again, and it gives you one final review of everything, and you hit deploy. And then you get this pop-up, and you can hit view deployment or close. You can do either one. I'm going to hit view deployments, and then it'll bring you to the deployments tab, which is found under deploy. And it'll show you all the things that you've deployed to your account in this path. And if you want to ever see what's deployed to an atom, you can go to atom management. And you can see in my case, I have a prod environment with no atoms and a test environment with my laptop atom. And if I click on laptop atom, I can go down to deployed processes, and I can see the test process I just deployed here. If it's a listener process, it'll show up under the listeners tab. And that's how you deploy a process.